Number 5.
This is not your average push block. This is the revolutionary 3D push block system. This is the Gripper by Microjig, and it's evolved the way we work with wood forever. Traditional push sticks and featherboards are time-consuming and dangerous. The Gripper gives you the speed, precision, and protection you need when it comes to working on a table saw. As you cut, the unique 3-leg design gives you 3 directional controls on both the keeper and off-cut piece, delivering unmatched safety and precision. Forward control for speed and accuracy, giving you the power to work at your own pace and the precision to make your imagination come to life. Downward control for safety, keeping the wood from kicking back and causing unwanted trips to the emergency room. Inward control for stability, allowing the wood to stay against the fence and parallel at all times, preventing unwanted scoring and burn marks left behind from unstable cuts. And at all times, the Gripper is shielding you from the spinning saw blades, acting as a moving blade guard for your hands. Hi, I'm Bruce Wang, and my father is the founder of Microjig and creator of the Gripper. And I'm here to tell you that if you own a table saw, you need a Gripper. It's much more than meets the eye and simpler than you'd imagine. The Gripper's green grip, proprietary non-slip material, is actually specially designed to grip better than fingers and better than any other push pads or pushing devices out on the market now. In fact, it's specifically designed to control different types of hardwoods such as cherry, maple, walnut, ebony, even synthetic woods, plastics, and aluminum. You're getting unmatched control and stability with the green grip. And the second simple innovation is the adjustable center leg. Now, this center leg allows you to accommodate for a different variety of widths when you're cutting different sizes of stock. That creates a tunnel for the saw blade to pass through. That means you are now controlling both the keeper piece and the offcut piece at the same time. You're controlling that throughout the entire length of the cut from the before, during, and after, keeping your hands shielded the entire length of that cut, giving you total control over the stock, eliminating any loose object from flying around or kicking back. But you'll also notice that it acts as a moving blade guard for your hand. See how your hand is shielded by the Gripper the entire length of that cut? And then the Gripper can move both pieces safely away from the rear spinning saw blades. That's safety. That's precision. Now, the Gripper is incredible at controlling very small pieces of stock on a table saw. It gives you the control, safety, and stability that you need when working with very small pieces of wood. It's as simple as dropping the balance support down and locking it into place. And now you have a solid purchase to feed that wood all the way through. In fact, the Gripper is so precise, it lets you rip down to 1/8 of an inch by 1/8 of an inch. Try that with a push stick. And ripping 1/8-inch strips is great for edge bending. By using 2 Grippers, you can feed long stock hand over hand with the leapfrog method for any stock over 16 inches. Because you're feeding the wood at a smooth, consistent rate, you virtually eliminate burning. No stopping means no burning. Protect both hands and prevent kickback with 2 Grippers. Now you see what we mean by the most safe, the most precise pushing device on the market, but it's also the most versatile. With our advanced accessories, you're going to see that you have endless possibilities for different cuts, such as dice cutting, bevel ripping, repeatable wedge cuts, veneer, bevel trimming, face frame edging, and so much more. And using the Gripper on the table saw is just the tip of the iceberg. You're going to experience control that extends to your whole workshop, whether you're on the router table, the joiner, the bandsaw, or even freehand routing. You're going to experience an incredible amount of control, precision, and safety on all of your favorite tools and power tools in the workshop. It's time for an upgrade. You're going to save time, money, and fingers with the Gripper. Microjig. Woodworking evolves. Buy the basic or advanced model Gripper and Gripper accessories at your local or online fine woodworking supply house. Visit us at microjig.com for more innovation and email us at info@microjig.com. Happy woodworking.
Number 4. Number 3.
Many older table saws don't have a riving knife, an essential safety feature for preventing kickback. Yikes. Even a saw with a riving knife has its limitations. It can't be used with a zero clearance insert, and that's where the MJ splitter comes in. MJ splitters quickly and easily mount to your zero clearance insert, preventing the kerf from pinching on the saw blade, which is what causes kickback. They fill the entire kerf and keep your workpiece tight to the fence, minimizing burning and reducing the risk of kickback. When ripping hardwoods with unpredictable, potentially dangerous internal stress, the included kerf keepers auto-eject to remain within the kerf. This keeps the kerf spread apart and serves as an indication that you're working with a reactive wood. The MJ Splitter Steel Pro features an extremely rigid steel core and is available in a thin kerf and a full kerf version. They can be micro-adjusted side to side using the built-in offset to account for runout from blade to blade. The MJ Splitter Steel Pro comes with 4 splitters, 4 kerf keepers, a drill bit, and an easy-to-use drill guide. Everything you need for a precise, hassle-free installation. Avoid kickback and make better cuts with the MJ Splitter Steel Pro. Backed by our extended 3-year warranty and 100% satisfaction guarantee. Add to your cart and work smarter with the MJ Splitter Steel Pro. Micro Jig. Work safer, work smarter.
Number 2.
The Microdial Tapering Jig makes tapered cuts on the table saw, router table, and bandsaw with incredible accuracy and repeatability. It's designed to work with your grippers, giving you incredible precision and control. No more marking and eyeballing your tapered cuts. The Microdial packs an astounding 112 preset angles down to the 1/8 of a degree, allowing you to quickly and accurately lock in your angle using one of the color match dials. If you don't know the exact angle of your taper, the other dial can be set to the desired rise and run. The Microdial features 2 memory stops, allowing you to switch between 2 angles quickly and with zero guesswork. It also includes a joining heel, allowing you to make straight line rips on stock without a prepared edge. Cut tapered legs for your next mid-century modern style piece, then bring it over to the router table and add some decorative detail. You want to make the same cut months or years later? No problem. The Microdial will lock back into any angle down to the 1/8 of a degree. No other tapering jig offers this level of accuracy, safety, and repeatability. The Microdial comes with our 100% satisfaction guarantee and extended 3-year warranty. Experience the difference. Visit us online at microjig.com to order yours today or to find a retailer near you. Microjig. Work safer, work smarter.
Number 1.